Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my very first time shooting a makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start my makeup with a clean base. Here I'm prepping my skin with moisturizer and sunscreen. Guys, please do not skip this step. Now I'm going to go in with the Chanel Complexion Touch in the shade B10. If you're someone who likes their skin to look natural, you can try using a skin tint and try blending it with your fingers. That is how you get the most natural finish. I would also highly recommend using skin products that are close to your natural skin tone. Next, I'm going in with my Clinique concealer only when I need it. Now I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is what gives the soft glam effect. I'm going to use it on my forehead, my nose, my cheekbones and my chin. Bronzer also helps in adding a lot of depth to your face. Now I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter and I'm going to put it on the high points of my face. Here I'm going to go in with the NARS blush. I recommend not adding a lot because it is a bronzy
This
look.
is my favorite part. I'm going to tightline my eyes with kajal and also make a small wing at the end.
Here I'm going in with more bronzer and more blush. Now I'm just going to line my lips with the Nykaa Cosmetics lip liner and top it off with the Dior Nude 100. And we're all done. If you ended up liking my video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.